Hello everyone, welcome to lesson number 25. This is grade 8 mathematics. Before we look at today's work, I would like to give the answers to example number 2 for lesson number 24. So the question says, or the statement is, the water level of the Zambezi River dropped from its maximum level of 710 to 568 centimeters by how many centimeters cubic? This is supposed to be cubic centimeters. No, just centimeters. This is the height, okay? So by how many did the water level drop? So that, which is worth just 1 mark, this is how you could have done it. So you say 710 centimeters, take away 568 centimeters, we should get 142 centimeters. So from this maximum height or level to this new height. Okay, so this is the answer for part A. Okay, let's go to part B. Part B says express the drop or change as a fraction of the maximum level. Okay, so what we need to do, we should divide, if you can allow me to copy all this, we are going to divide the change by the maximum level. So this is what we are going to do, my friends. So the learners that have submitted their answers, thank you very much. So far you are doing just great. So we say the change divided by, or we can say the change or drop divided by maximum level. Okay, maximum level. So what is the change? The change is 142 and the maximum level is 710. And if you look for the highest common factor, which is 142, that is the highest common factor, 142, sorry for that, 142 goes in itself once, and it goes into 710 how many times? 5 times. So this is the answer in simplest form. Okay, all right, now let us look at today's work. Today's work is just the same work that I have given you, just that here I'm going to do part A and B, and then C and D will be your homework. So please take a picture and share with me. So the statement says express the first quantity as a fraction of the second quantity in simplest form. Okay, so part A we are given 20 over 100. 20 over 100, so we need to write that as a fraction, and that should be in simplest form. So if we can insert the equation fraction, we want this fraction, come on fraction, nice. So we need more space. Okay, this, I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so this is going to be 20 over 100. Now, you know that 2 is the highest common factor of 2 and 10. So here 20 will be the highest common factor. And 20 goes in itself how many times? 2 will go in once, and it will go into 100 5 times. So 20 over 100 in simplest form is 1 over 5, and that's it. That's the final answer. Okay, if I can just put it in green. Nice. Now this one is a bit tricky. Part P says 50 cents and $1. So as you can see, these units are similar units. They are not exactly the same. Alright, so they are similar because they are units of money. So what we need to do, we need to convert the bigger unit to a smaller one. So what do we know? We know that $1 is equal to 100 cents. So let me just write that down. If I have $1, I should be able to get 100 cents. I hope you agree with me on that. Okay, this shouldn't be stencil, please. New Times Roman. Okay, so if I have $1, I have 100 cents. Okay, so instead of having $1 here, we can just say 100 cents. So we can now say 50 divided by 100. So please do not divide if you did not change the units to this. For the units to be the same, the units should be the same. Okay, and we know that 50 is a half of 100, so the fraction will just be 1/2. Or you can say the highest common factor of 50 and 100 is 50 itself. And the answer will just be 1/2, will just be a half. Alright, my friends, now it is time for you to practice. Okay, so we have part C, 80 centimeters and 200 centimeters. So meaning that here you're not going to convert, the units are the same. But in part D, come on part D, but in part D you have 12 months. You have 12 months and 3 years, so you must convert the years to months. Alright, so that was it for today. Before we look at the work for the next video, just like to encourage the learners that don't have these study guides yet. Okay, they're very useful. So once you have these study guides, you don't have to write notes in class. You just need to follow what the teacher is explaining to you. I have mathematics grade 8 and also physical science grade 8. Please let me know so I can provide you with one. Now in our next video, we are going to look at something that you probably have enjoyed in primary school. We are going to look at how to add and subtract common fractions and decimal fractions. That is for our next lesson. Okay, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.